Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve AQA GCSE Math Algebra most repeated questions of exam. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution for past paper exams. So here is the question number 1, that is simplify 3 by x plus 4 by x and find the answer. So we will solve this just by taking the LCM of this. So LCM of this will be x and x are x and 3 plus 4, that equals 7. So 7 by x will be the answer. Now we will solve the question number 2, that is, now here is the question number 2, that is d equals 2f, e minus f divided by d minus e equals 1 by 4. You have to find the ratio of e ratio f. So we will solve this question as, we will write e minus f divided by d is 2f. 2f minus e equals 1 by 4. Now we will do cross multiplication. So 4e minus 4f equals 1 is multiplied, so 2f minus e. Now combine the same terms. So 4e plus e equals 2f plus 4f. So we get 5e equals 6f. Now we have to find the ratio of e ratio f. That means e is divided by f and 6 is divided by 5. So this will be the final answer, that e by f equals 6 by 5. Now we will solve question number 3. Now here the question number 3, that shows a flight time. In the first stage, distance is 731 meter and the speed is x. And in the second stage, distance is 287 and the speed is x minus 24. You have to find the value of x when the total time is 2 hours. That means we will solve this question as, add both the values. So 731 by x plus 287 by x minus 24 equals 2. Now make this LCM, that is x into x minus 24, and 731 multiply x minus 24 and 287 is multiply x equals 2. So we get 731x minus 731 into 24 is 175. 44 plus 287x will equal 2 is multiplied by this. So this is 2x square minus 24x will become 48x. Now we get 2x square minus, when we add 48 x in this 731 and 287, we get 1066x, because it will goes to this side and subtracted, plus 17544 equals 0. So we can take 2 as common from this. So remaining is x square minus, when this is divided by 2 5s are 10, 3 and 3, then 2 8s are 16, then 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4 equals 0. Now in the next step, we will solve this as x equals 533 plus minus root of, we will take the square of this by applying quadratic formula, minus 533 square plus 2 into plus 4 of AC, so 8772 divided by 2 of A means 1. So we get the final answer of x will be, by solving this will be equals, we write this here, equals 533 plus minus 499. With the help of calculator we have find this value. So this will become 34 and plus minus 34 by 2, or other one will be 1032 by 2. That means 17. First one will be equals 17, or when we solve this it will become 516. So this is the answer. Now we will solve the next question number 4. Question number 4 is 6 by a minus 11 by 4a. First we make the denominator same. So 6 is multiplied by 4 and a is also multiplied by 4. And this remain as it is. So we get 24 by 4a minus 11 by 4a. So 24 minus 11 will be 13 divided by 4a. So this will be the answer. Now in the question number 5, we will simplify y square minus 3y into y square plus 10y plus 21 divided by y square minus 9. So we will solve this question as, first of all we will take y is common from this, so remaining is y minus 3. And here we will make the factors of 21 such that when they are added gives 10. So y square plus 7y plus 3y plus 21, and in the denominator we will apply the formula of a square minus b square. So we get y into y minus 3, and here we will take y as common, so y plus 7 plus 3 into y plus 7. In the denominator we have y minus 3, y plus 3. So we will write this as y into y minus 3 into y plus 7 into y plus 3 and divided by y minus 3, y plus 3. So this and this are cancelled out. Only we have y into y plus 7. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve next question. Now question number 6 is, show that x minus 5 by x minus 2 plus x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 will convert into ax square plus b divided by x square minus 4. So just we will take the denominator same. It's mean x minus 5 is multiplied by x plus 2 and x minus 2 is multiplied by x plus 2. And from this we will get x plus 5 is multiplied by x minus 2 and x plus 2 is multiplied by x minus 2. Now we will solve this multiplication. So x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. Here we have x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. Here we have x square plus 5x minus 2x plus 10 minus 10, and divided this by x square minus 2x plus 2x minus 4. So this and this are cancelled out. We have x square minus 3x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4, and this one x square plus 3x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4. Now we will take the LCM, that is x square minus 4, and in the denominator we will have x square minus 3x minus 10 plus x square plus 3x minus 10. That means 3x and minus 3x both are cancelled out. So this is 2x square minus 20 divided by x square minus 4. Now we will take this, compare this and find the value of a and b. So a will be 2 and b is minus 20. So this is the answer. Now we will solve the next question. Now this is the very interesting question, that is 2 by x plus 1 plus 7 minus 5x by 3 plus 4x. So we will solve this as write this as taking the LCM, that is 3 into x plus 1. So 2 is multiplied by 3 plus 7 minus 5x is multiplied by x plus 1, and the 4x is multiplied by x plus 1 and 3. So we get 6 plus 7 is multiplied by x plus 1. We get 7x plus 7 minus 5x is multiplied. We get minus 5x square and minus 5x. Then plus 4x square plus 4x is multiplied by 3 also, divided by 3x plus 1. Now we will write this in the arranged form and get minus 5x square plus 12x square from this one, and plus 7x minus 5x is 2x, and plus 12x, and 6 plus 7 is 13, divided by 3x plus 1. So we get the final answer, that is 12 minus 5 is 7x square plus 14x plus 13 divided by 3 of x plus 1. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.